I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing an all levels technique exercise. Depends on the speed. So I think for this video it's going to be intermediate, definitely intermediate. It could be advanced depending if you make it faster. It could definitely be beginner if you make it slower. It's just cramp rolls. That's really all we're doing is cramp rolls. So it just depends on the speed. So let's call it intermediate for the video's sake, but I'll probably put all levels in the title. So it's a cramp roll exercise. Now this one has to do with rhythm and controlling your cramp rolls to make them have different rhythms. That takes a lot more skill than people give it credit for, honestly. So to take a cramp roll and do it E and a 1 versus 2 E and or E and a 1 versus 2 and 3 and is what I meant. So taking it and making it 16th notes versus 8th notes, you gotta have a lot of control for that. So let's go ahead and get started and you'll see what I mean. So the whole thing starts with what I like to call a smooth cramp roll. It's gonna just jump right into it and smoothly come down E and a 1. Da, 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 da. You wanna have all 4 sounds, even if it's smooth. You don't want it to be like that. You want 4 sounds. E and a 1. Nice and smooth. E and a 1. Or E and a 1. There's no T at the end of 1. E and a 1, and then you have ball change. So it's 1, 2, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. E and a 1, 2, 3. Then you have 4 and 5 and 6, 7. You have a 8th note cramp roll. Ball change. So really you're doing cramp roll, ball change, cramp roll, ball change. But you're doing the cramp rolls at such different rhythms that it makes it interesting. You have 2 totally different rhythms to make one line of just not the same thing twice in a row. So cool. So it's gonna go E and a 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. You hear how different that is? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. In 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Depending on how you count it, doesn't matter, same rhythm. So, next one, you do the exact same thing, but you do it with a reverse cramp roll. So, dig, dig, toe, toe. So that one first, ball change, and then the slower one. Same rhythm, E and a 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So let's do the first part and the second part together. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come here, sweetie. Y'all hear that, right? Come here, sweetie. Why are you having such a rough day? Why is today so terrible? Oh, honey. Okay, it's okay. Come here. Oh, that's my girl. This is a hard one to do while holding a cat, but we're gonna see what we can do, okay? Let me have my hair back. You good? She's having a hard time today. Oh, baby. So if you watched the video for nothing but a cat cameo, you got a good one today. It's okay, baby girl. Okay, yesterday was National Daughter Day and I didn't make a post about her and she's just really upset about it. All right, so let's try both of those one more time and then we'll go on to the third section. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, that was really difficult to do while holding her, but that's fine. Then you do a regular cramp roll ball change just like the beginning. Then you do the reverse cramp roll for the slower one. So you're doing one of each, and you can vary that. You can do the reverse for the faster one and the regular for the slower one. For the purposes of the video, we're going to do the regular for the fast one and the reverse for the slow one. but it's up to you how you want to do it. So that part is, okay? So let's add that on. Cramp roll, reverse cramp roll, reverse cramp roll, cramp roll, reverse cramp roll. Okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, baby girl, this is getting too difficult. I know. You're so mad at me. Okay, one more time. One more time without holding the cap. Oh, Lord. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Oh, she's so mad. The last part is going to be cramp roll ball change. So the fast cramp roll ball change, regular cramp roll. Then you have shuffle, step, heel, stand. So now you're doing your step, heels in a different order. So instead of step, heel, heel, the last part is not a cramp roll, just shuffle, step, heel, heel. She's so mad. She's running across behind the camera, just like, she's so angry. I will cuddle with you when I'm done. Okay, that last part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's shuffle, step. And then guess what? Our left foot's free. We're going to do it on the left. And just make sure that this doesn't go to sleep. Okay, so let's add that on. Don't worry about left yet. Let's just add that on. Ready? So we have regular cramp roll ball change, reverse cramp roll ball change, regular and reverse cramp roll ball change, and then the cramp roll ball change to lead us to the other side. I am not allergic to my own cat. I'm not. She just has a lot of long hair flying through the air. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad, huh? That's fun. Can we try it on the left? Okay, let's try it on the left. Here's hoping this goes well. 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, my left is not as good as my right. That's okay, that's what practice is for. So, how about we do right into left. So right and left back to back, then we'll try it with music a couple times, and then you got it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we do it? Okay, I did start writing what we're supposed to be doing to the side of me for these videos, partially because I have a hard time saying it and doing it at the same time when it comes to things that are supposed to be so rhythmically accurate. I start hearing my own voice instead of the rhythm, and then I lose it. So hopefully that helped, because I couldn't say it. All right, let's give it a shot to some music. That's your tempo, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Information listed below. This one's good. It's Halloween season, so I chose something like dark and spooky, and I was like, oh, this is good. All right, let's do it one more time just to make sure we got it, but this is a video, so you can rewind it and do it as many times as you need to. I hope you've really enjoyed this. We got this. That was weird. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you guys had so much fun with that technique exercise. That's probably my favorite one I've made in a really long time. Like, I love that one. So I hope you guys had a blast. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the tap fam. I've got tons of tap tutorials just like this, technique exercises, where you can work on like musicality or just one step or a slew of steps or weight control and stuff like that. I also have step tutorials where you can actually just learn a step that you've never done before. Super cool. I've got choreography tutorials where we get to learn a fun dance together just for fun to great songs. And yeah, we've got vlogs, challenges, everything you could want on this channel. This is your free classes of tap, your free tap studio right here on YouTube. And I love being your YouTube tap teacher. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you had fun with this one or if the song was just good. This is a great exercise. If you're a teacher, please bring this to your classes. This is such a good musicality exercise because a lot of times students don't know how to distinguish between and. It can be really hard to teach that. So this exercise really works on that. So yeah, I had a blast with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.